Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am sharing with you how I make Indian style veg chow mein. It's healthy, very tasty and easy recipe. Perfect for office and school lunch. Generally we use chili garlic sauce and vinegar when we make chow mein. But for changing the taste, sometimes I make Indian style chow mein. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. We have to boil the noodle first, so turn on the gas. Keep it on high heat. I am adding 1 cup of water. Bring it to boil. Here I am using instant dried noodles. I am taking one piece only because I am making for one. Water is boiling now. Add the noodles. I am not adding salt and oil at this point. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes only. It's been 4 minutes. Turn off the gas. Drain the excess water. Leave it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's check the other ingredients. Here I have taken some vegetables like onion, green beans, carrot, green bell pepper, green peas. I have taken all the vegetables equal quantity, 1/4 cup only except green chilies. I have taken 1 chopped green chili, 1/4 cup coriander leaves or cilantro finely chopped 1/4 cup tomato, quarter lime, finely chopped ½ inch ginger, finely chopped 1 garlic cloves. And we need salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, and I am using olive oil, but you can use any cooking oil. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium to low heat. Now I am adding olive oil, about ½ tablespoon. Once oil is hot, add onion, green beans and carrot. Now I am adding green chili. We will do half fry all the vegetables, but make sure it is on medium to low. Now add garlic and ginger. Now add bell pepper and green peas, tomato, fry them for 2 minutes only. Add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of chili flakes, pinch of salt. Now we'll add boiled noodles. It was medium to low. Now we need very low heat. Add salt to taste, coriander leaves or cilantro. Mix them very well. Okay, now add lime juice. It's done. Our Indian style veg chow mein is ready. Turn off the gas. Let's dish out. Garnish with some roasted peanuts and some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Hope you will like this recipe. Try to make it at home and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.